Then the movie that he had already finished before the movie he was working on just dropped. They cloned Tyrone. Looking at it, I realized it's the sequel to the Michael J. White Black Dynamite movie. They playing the same character, but you got two different actors playing the character. So that would make the character be what we would call a hood savior. One of them brothers in the hood, even though he doing the dirt, but he's still feeding people that couldn't feed themselves. He's selling dope to the people, but he throw a party and have cookouts with free food for all the people in his neighborhood. Now, can we really look at him as a criminal, or is he just using the resources available to do what he wanted to do anyway, is feed the people, right? Because we barred from getting jobs because we look like thugs, right? Some of us got tattoos. So it make them not want to hire us. We only fit for fast food restaurant jobs, and how many of us want to do that shit for 25 years, and the pay don't increase very much over time. And then